guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have an unboxing as well as a first impressions of the Tim Holtz stamp platform. So this has been on my crafty wish list for quite some time. Really any kind of stamping platform really, but this one in particular, I thought the size would be really great and the reviews have been really good. So I did order this a while ago from scrapbook.com. I will leave a link to it down below. But yeah, like it came, I haven't even opened it. You can see like all the tape is still intact because I did want to do an unboxing with you guys and try it out for the first time here on the channel with you guys. So in case you're wondering about this product or you want to get it for yourself, or I don't know, you just want to see me try something new, then this is the video for you. So I'm going to go ahead and open it if I can. So the reason that I've been wanting one of these and finally just got it was because I have a bunch of stamps, but I feel like I don't use them enough. And something like this, I feel, will really help me use my stamps more. Because I'm not the most confident stamper in the world. Woo! There it is. Yay! Okay. Yeah, so I'm not the most confident stamper in the world, and I feel like something like this is kind of foolproof and will definitely help me. So it comes like this, which is really nice. There's a little handle here on the top. Guessing so that they can hang it or something and store. Like I said, I did buy mine online, and then it's kind of like a sleeve situation here, which is kind of odd, but that's fine. I don't care. I don't care that much about the box. It's tape 2. So as you can see, it comes with the platform itself as well as some of the magnets. And I'm really excited about this, you guys. I think it'll be great. And I did get the travel size just because it's a smaller size and that's what I wanted. It is open edged, so along here and here is open, so you can do larger pieces of paper if you want, which is perfect, which is partly why I did not get the larger one of these. I just feel like most of my stamping will be on smaller surfaces, so I didn't need a huge one. So there we go. Oh, I'm so excited. I've been wanting something like this for a while. So there is that. Here's my hand for reference. So it comes with a little booklet, which is awesome. Talks about their other products. It looks like it does also come with a sleeve that you can get separately, which is interesting. Some guillotine trimmers, scissors. So this is basically just like a little product pamphlet. I was kind of hoping this would be an instruction thing, but it's not. But maybe there are some instructions on here. Not really, just kind of some care instructions and how to clean it. All right. Well, I was hoping for like a little bit of instruction, but that's okay. All right, so this is what it looks like. And I have some 5x7 cardstock here, so you can see kind of the size of that. So we're gonna try it on these just because I have them handy and they're already small. Oh, this comes off. Okay, that's interesting. Oh, I think because you can like flip it depending on what like thickness of stamps you have. So I guess clear stamps you want this side facing up. And if you're using like unmounted rubber stamps, you can use this side, I guess. Makes it a little bit thicker. Yeah, so there's like more room. Yeah, so there's a little bit more space in there. Okay, cool. That's awesome. I think I remember seeing that was a thing. I don't have any really unmounted rubber stamps, so let's keep it on this side. There are a couple of magnets, which is great. I'm gonna keep those far away from each other. And then let's see, just put the thing in here, I guess. Can you tell I've never done this before? All right, so I did pull a few stamp sets to kind of try a variety. So I have this really kind of intricate background stamp, some tiny little word stamps I think would be really fun. And then I want to try some kind of layering things as well. So we'll give some of these a try. To go with these stamps, I pulled this VersaFine ink as well as the Sugar Lavender by Catherine Pooler. So we'll give those a go as well. So let's get started. I'm thinking let's start big, right? Let's go big or go home is how we're gonna do things today. All right, so as you can see, this is a really pretty background stamp with snowflakes all over it. All right, so I've got this guy. I'm gonna move this over here probably. Just set that on there. Okay. So I just put it on the paper and then I'm going to put the platform down on it. Is it reaching it? Kind of, not really. How do you work? Oh, I think these things are getting in the way. Okay, let's try that again. All right, this here. So I really want to be able to use like a magnet. Maybe I can just put the magnet like right there. See guys, this is why we're doing the first impressions, because I have no idea what I'm doing. All right, does that stick now? I feel like kind of. Yeah, okay, so it's sticking onto the plastic, which is good. All right, can you like go over here and stay? No? Like, is this board magnetized? I don't know how this works, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm such a mess. All right, so let's go ahead and ink this up with some of this black VersaFine. I did not prime this stamp, so I just wanted to kind of see right off the bat how well it can work. Oops, getting things very messy, because that's what I do. All right, so lots of ink on there. Turn this off really fast. Okay. All right, moment of truth, you guys. Here we go. You ready? All right, so I'm just going to press that down. I'm pressing a little hard, but I'm not like putting all my weight onto it. Okay. All right, so that did pretty good. I could probably, like, see here, I can see that I didn't press as hard in some of these areas, because there's still some ink there and not here. So maybe we could try that again. Maybe that works a little better. Not really. I should probably ink it up one more time just to make sure. Okay. Maybe try it this way. If I am doing this so wrong and I'm just horrifying you guys, leave me your tips and tricks down below. Alright, so that's okay. This one looks a little funky, but for the most part it's not too bad. Alright, so that is what that looks like. So you can see it's a really pretty stamp design, and I am so excited to actually heat emboss with this. I think that will be really fun. So maybe let's try some of these smaller stamps. Maybe I could use those more properly. Alright, so I'm going to try this Elle Studio stamp set. So I want to try some of these like little phrases, and then maybe this sentiment, and maybe this like, I don't know, black one, just to kind of see how it works for something that has like a more solid background. So I'm just going to place all of these on here at once so we can kind of get, oh my gosh, stay. Okay, so we can kind of get an idea of what things will look like. And maybe this little present would be cute too. Alright, so I put the stamps on there, and I'll push the lid part on there. Okay, and again, I have not primed these stamps because I just kind of want to see how things go. So I am going to ink them up quite a bit. Like that. I'm going to flip this down. So that's what that looks like. Those are lovely. Wow, those came out really good for only one inking. Awesome. I'm really surprised about these little polka dots. They're not like blurry at all. And this one came out really clear, which I've never had like a more solid kind of stamp with writing cut out of it like look that nice just from one impression. So that's amazing, and this is exactly the kind of result that I was hoping for by purchasing something like this stamp platform. So that's amazing, and I'm so pleased. So I also had this stamp set by Sweet Stamp Shop, and it is some balloons, and here you can see that there are some outline ones as well as some solid ones. So I want to give layered stamping a try. I don't really have many layered stamps. This is kind of the type that I have, is just things like this. So I'm curious to see how these will work. Why don't we try the solid heart right here. So I'm going to use some of the sugared lavender for this one. I'm making a mess. This wipes off really easily, which is really nice. So yay for that. So this doesn't look like a very solid kind of covering of the ink, so we might have to double stamp it, which would be fine. With a product like this, like, that's okay. All right, so that's what that looks like. You can see with just one stamping, it's a really beautiful color, but there were some little spots missing, so I'm going to stamp it again. And that's what's so great about a product like this, is that you can stamp it again and it'll be okay. Okay, like that. All right, so that's a much better impression. That is what that looks like. So let's go ahead and add the outline. And I have seen people in videos where they're using a stamping platform like this or the other ones. They put tape over these to make them easier to pick up. So I will be doing that, but since this is just kind of the first impressions, I want to give you guys, you know, just the first impressions. This little stamp has the outline for the little heart balloon. Put that on there. And then I want to use some black ink for this one. Okay. So that is what that looks like. I think that is so cute. That is adorable. I am so happy with that. It was really easy to line up the outline on top of the solid stamped image. So that is really, really cute. And I feel like this product will also help me use more of my colored inks instead of just black. I kind of default to a black ink all the time, but being able to layer things up like this so easily, I can definitely see myself reaching for the more colorful inks, which is exciting because I have a bunch and I never use them. So that will be good. So I'll get more use out of my stamps and my inks. The stamp set does also come with the little strings for the balloon, but I'm not gonna mess with that today because I just wanted to give you guys a quick little overview of this whole product, how I enjoyed it, and verdict is I enjoyed it a lot. I'm really, really happy that I got this. It wasn't terribly expensive. I think I picked it up for like $25, and I feel like it will really help me use my stamps and my inks a lot more. So for me, that's a good investment, and I'm really glad that I got the smaller size. I think a bigger one would have been a little too overwhelming for me. So those are my thoughts and first impressions of the Tonic Studios Tim Holtz travel size stamp platform. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, that maybe it helped you decide whether or not you want to get one of these for yourself. I really love the size of this. I love how easy it made stamping. I really love how it can do a large stamp as well as teeny tiny little ones really, really easily. And I'm really excited about this whole situation of being able to layer different colors of inks really easily. So that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!